In today's video, I'm going to teach you, step-by-step guide, add business details in Shopify. If you're ready to make your store feel official, this quick walkthrough will help you add the essential business details that shape how your brand shows up to customers and how Shopify communicates with you behind the scenes. We'll keep it simple and clear, and by the end, your foundation will look professional and be ready for launch. Start in your Shopify admin, head to Settings, then open Store Details. Think of this page as the control center for your brand's identity and contact information. The details here influence what customers see on their orders and emails, and what Shopify uses to reach you privately. In the Profile section, click Edit. Begin with your store name. Make sure it's exactly how you want it to appear to customers, because this name can show up on order confirmation emails and, in many cases, on bank or card statements. Aim for precise capitalization, consistent spelling, and a clean, brand-appropriate style. If you've used a placeholder name while building your site, now's the time to align it with your public brand. A quick tip: avoid unnecessary symbols or extra punctuation that might look confusing on receipts. Next, review your email addresses. Your store contact email is the inbox Shopify uses to reach you for admin notifications, billing messages, and updates, so choose an account you check regularly. Your sender email, on the other hand, is what customers will see when they receive emails from your store. For a polished impression, use a domain-based address that matches your brand once you're ready to launch. This helps with recognition and can improve trust. It's also a good idea to send yourself a test email later to confirm it looks right in your inbox. Finally, update your legal business name. This is for your private billing with Shopify and doesn't have to match your public store name. Use the exact name that appears on your official business records so invoices and statements stay accurate. This small step helps keep your paperwork clean and consistent. When everything looks correct, click Save in the top right. Don't skip this. Unsaved changes won't take effect. With those details set, you've given your store a professional backbone. Your invoices, order emails, and brand identity will feel consistent, and Shopify has the right information to communicate with you. That's all it takes to make your store's essentials official and ready for the next steps in your launch.